talk about 4 most common causes of neck and shoulder pain. Now I kind of lumped those together, but technically they are two different areas that we work on. But the reason we won't lump them together is because a lot of people kind of confuse which one's a shoulder injury versus a neck injury. Typically what I would say is anything from here up is neck, anything from here down in this area is more of a shoulder problem. Now it's kind of our job to be able to tell you which one is which, and oftentimes they actually kind of go together. So for example, sometimes we'll have somebody with a rotator cuff shoulder problem, but it also causes a neck problem because of all the compensation. But a lot of the causes also kind of go hand in hand as well. So one of the first common causes for neck and shoulder problems is posture. Posture is one of the things that I cover the most when it comes to neck and shoulders. Primary reason is because you can even see me, it's so easy to kind of slump. So easy to have your neck forward. Like even when you look at it from the side, when you're slumped and your neck's forward, which I'm exaggerating a little bit, but that's what we do all the time as Americans. We watch TV, we work hours and hours, we're on computers, we're on our phones, we're driving, so it's just so easy being in that posture. And just to give you a quick suggestion, you don't have to have good posture all the time, just be cognizant of it and think about it and pull back up, and that will help you. But posture is a big thing that usually we will work on in physical therapy to really help people kind of understand why it can cause such severe problems, because even just bad posture can cause really bad shoulder problems, rotator cuff problems, and neck problems, and headaches. So posture is a big one. Number 2 is sleeping wrong. Sleep is kind of hard in general when it comes to different pain, both back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain in particular. I feel like personally that it's more of an individual thing that you have to kind of evaluate as far as what positions you need to be in. But the one thing I would say for sure, be careful of laying on your stomach. Because if you lay on your stomach, your neck is fully rotated, your shoulders might be up like this. Those are positions where the joints of the neck and shoulder both are getting compressed quite a bit, and we want to make sure to protect those. So sleeping can be hard. You got to find a position that works best for you, and sometimes we can help you with that as well. Third is exercise. We are big proponents of people exercising in general to kind of make those things feel better, shoulder and neck. But a lot of times people might start an exercise program and they actually are doing too heavy weight. They don't watch their technique. They don't talk to their trainers or personal trainers that can help them have good issues. And sometimes it just happens. I mean, you know, when you have a shoulder problem, you're trying to do some shoulder strengthening, overhead presses, and it just pinches. It just happens sometimes, and that's not anything you did. It's just kind of luck of the draw. Lastly, trauma, kind of easy, but car accidents, you fell, or even if you're doing an activity you normally don't do, like playing sports, and you kind of hit something or throw something weird. Those are things that can also cause these problems. But here at Focus Physical Therapy, we can actually give you all the answers you need to know exactly what it is, whether it's a tear, whether it's a strain, you know, whether it's a neck or shoulder problem. We can give you those answers to make sure you don't have to go run and get MRIs or tests, and those things don't really help you as much as you think they do. So those are four most common causes that we see for neck and shoulder issues. If you're having any of those problems, we would love to help you and give you some answers and solutions to getting those better. Look at our free resources on our website, physicaltherapylouisville.com, to maybe give you some more answers. We can also always get a free discovery visit to let any of my great therapists or myself look at your issue and tell you exactly what's going on and why it happened. So hang in there, and hopefully we'll see you soon.